Hello everybody, welcome to another Christmas special here in Hands-On with Victoria. Today we are doing a simple craft. We are going to prepare a Christmas card that you can send to your loved ones, your friends, your families, your teachers, whoever you want. And this is gonna be a special card that is gonna have 3 different parts. The background with red color, very meaningful in Christmas, a Christmas tree, and circles. Why circles? Circles are very important in art. There are hundreds of artists who use circles in their art pieces, like Kandinsky or Maureen Frank or Jennifer Smith. Circles are very used in art because they are perfect, they give peace, and they have multiple meanings in different cultures. So let's get ready for our craft and take note of the materials. What you need is half red cardboard, more or less this size, like a hand, but I have in my house this beautiful printed red that is the one I'm going to use. A paper, it can be recycled or used, don't worry because we are going to cut it out and then throw it to the bin. A green paper, pencil, scissors, glue stick, golden paint. This is a special thing that I had to buy for this craft. You can use yellow if you don't want to buy golden. And 2 different jars, one bigger and one smaller. This is to make the circles. And finally, a jar lid, bigger than your big jar, because we are going to use it to put here the paint and dip the jar in the paint. It can be a plate or something similar. The first thing you have to do is to cut the size of the card that you want to make. You can make it bigger or smaller, don't worry, it's up to you. The second thing we have to do is to draw a Christmas tree. That can be difficult or tricky sometimes, so let me show you one trick to make it perfect. Okay, take your paper and fold it by the middle, more or less, like this. Then look how big is your card, because the tree has to be smaller than the card, just a little bit, maybe from here to here, okay, more or less. Now I'm going to draw a line, more or less 1 finger from the edge, more or less. And now I'm gonna draw 3 parts of the tree. This would be the base of the tree, and now from the top you do 1, close here, don't cross the line, 2, 3. Okay, it doesn't need to be perfect. Now when we cut it, we have a perfect symmetric tree. Nice and beautiful. Use this tree to transfer it to the green paper. And now cut it out. This is the one we are going to use. Okay, now we have our perfect Christmas tree and we are going to add some glue and stick it in the middle of the cardboard like this. Make sure that the lines of the pencil are in the side where you put the glue. So we show later the perfect and clean side of the tree. Now it looks nice, but it is the time to add this special touch, the golden circles. What we are going to do is to put paint, golden paint on the lid, like this. And a little bit of water. Mix it very well. Once you got it, it's time to make the circles. It's time for fun. Let's make some circles all around the card and overlap the circles. Don't be scared. Use the big and the small jar. Dip it in the paint and like this. Don't be scared of going out of the card. Use some paper under your card if you want to avoid the mess. Let it sit until the paint is completely dry. Okay, here it is, my final result. The golden gives it a beautiful bright, but now you can feel free to write whatever you want in your Christmas postcard, or even you can write with black on top of the paint. That it's up to you. Let your imagination fly. And I want to show you some other options that you can make. For example, you can use white paper to make the Christmas tree and then fill in with different colors of green. You can make a small one and leave it white, or you can use some glitter on the edge of the white tree. You have many different options, sizes and colors. Just enjoy it and make beautiful cards for your family and your friends. And now, I wish you a super happy Christmas holidays and that you can rest and enjoy and play with your loved ones. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! If it's in your head, it's in your hands. See you next year. Bye bye, I love you.